Hi, my name is Umar Qureshi, and today I've decided not to be the boss because my place has been taken by the boss himself, Akshay Kumar. Welcome to the studios.
Well, thank you very much. I've not declared myself the boss. I'm just doing a character called boss.
At home, who's the boss?
My wife is my boss. Very naughty. I have lots of holidays. I don't see myself killing. Bruce Lee used to always teach fighting without fighting. You'd never realize what has happened and just happened.
Party all night, your track has become a rage. And again with your lucky mascot, Sonakshi.
She told me that I kuch bhi ho jaye. You can make me stand like a dancer girl. She came for one day, she shot, she enjoyed, she danced and she went. I just think positive and that's it.
25 years, glorious career.
But not yet 25, going to be next year.
Next year, almost there. You're a self-made man, completely. When you say, even when you played a character called the boss, in real life also you are the boss. You already declared yourself the boss.
I've not declared myself the boss. I'm just doing a character called boss. Well, I only say I'm boss of myself. That's it.
Yeah.
I'm nobody else's boss. Everybody is their own boss. They all work, and that's the way it should be. I have never considered even looking at my staff also. I have the longest staff. They've been with me since my makeup man. When I started my career, he's been with me, and my spot boy, my driver. 20 years, sorry, 24, 23 years.
Changed, yeah.
Sorry?
Your secretary also.
Everybody.
Yeah.
They've all been there with me. And I always say that they should work. They should not consider me as their boss or anything. They should respect me and I should respect them. That's what I consider it.
But then you do give a value to loyalty, obviously, because...
Yeah, I do that. And everybody should do it. And today we are looking for people who are loyal to you. And that's the most important thing.
How many people do that in the industry today?
I have no idea, but I just know about myself.
People look at success, that's the only God they know.
You know them more closely, but because you take their interviews, as much as I know, I have no idea about it.
While most of the other, big superstars in your league are focusing on one movie at a time, you kill yourself and you work and you do 5 movies a year.
I do 4 movies a year. I do sometimes 3 to 4 movies a year. I don't kill myself. I have the maximum holidays.
Yeah.
I take about 60 days to finish a film. So I do about 3 to 4 films. That's about 240 days. And the rest is all holidays, Sundays off. I have Saturday, I only work 7 to 2 shift. After 2 o'clock, I'm off. Then Sundays are off. Then I have, after every 3 months, I have about 10 days holiday. I have 1 month holiday every year. So I have lots of holidays. I don't see myself killing.
Do you think at any point in your career, now of course, people respect you tremendously, not only as a superstar, but as an actor also. Do you think you've got your due earlier as an actor?
Maybe I didn't deserve it that time, and I got it on time, whenever I deserve it. So that's what's important.
What are the things that worry the boss?
I hardly get worried about anything. I don't get much worried about my release. I don't get worried about my flops much. I just take it as it comes. So I don't think hardly I can see anything which worries me.
At home, who's the boss?
At home, my wife is my boss. And that happens. I have asked many people and they all come with the same answer. Because at the end of the day, you can shout, you can scream outside, but once you come home, you have to settle down and you have to listen to someone, and that's your wife. And that is a true way of having a happy life also.
That's true. Has Twinkle changed certain aspects of your life? Has she changed you as a person in certain ways for the better?
Well, without me realizing, yes. But not that you should change this habit.
No.
Not saying like that.
Yeah.
But making it in such a way, bringing things in front of me in such a way that automatically my mind says, I should be like that.
Yeah.
So she's very smart.
Yeah.
She's done it without saying it. It's called fighting without fighting.
The subconscious message.
Yeah, it's Bruce Lee used to always teach fighting without fighting.
Yeah.
So you'd never realize what has happened, and this just happens.
You should give some tips over there.
Well, I'm sure a lot of people are going to watch your program, so they are going to get the whole thing.
Teamed up with iconic villain Danny Denzongpa
Yeah.
in Boss. How was it working with him?
I want to follow my life just like his. And everybody knows it. He is just like a young boy who's always ready to do whatever, jump around and do things at this age also. And I salute him.
What's the one thing, the avenue that you have not tapped into that you want to do?
Apart from being a director, I've done everything. So, but I don't see myself being a director also. So there's not much I can say that there's anything which I have not achieved. So I would like to do it. So there's nothing much.
How are you growing younger with age, and what is the secret of your fitness?
Well, I just think positive, and that's it. I think in today's world, looking at how much people have stress and how much people take things so seriously, I think the most important thing is being positive.
One fan of yours presented you with a nameplate which said "Boss" on it. It's like
he did.
You were taken aback, surprised.
Yeah, I was surprised that I got a nameplate on my name. So it was a very nice thing, and thank you very much for doing that.
Was getting into film production always on your mind, or was it a...
It's just a flow, Omar. Everything happened by the flow. So I never planned it. It just kept on falling, and that's what I mean. I was shocked that I always knew that I will never be a producer. I always wanted to live happily. That was my comment on it for being a producer. But it just came, and not only that, then came another company also, Grazing Goat. So it just happened.
You've teamed up with iconic villain Danny Denzongpa in Boss. How was it working with him?
Well, I've done films with him earlier also. And I still remember my first office, my own office. I had bought from him. It was his flat only, and I had taken his flat and bought it, and it has been lucky, very much lucky, since then. And I still have it with me, that whole office. And whenever we meet once, we have to talk about that how lucky I have to thank him for it. But it's always a pleasure working with him. I always say, lots of interviews, I've always said that I want to follow my life just like his. And everybody knows it. He is just like a young boy who's always ready to do whatever, jump around and do things at this age also. And I salute him for leading a life like this and living on his own terms and working in the industry in his own terms.
He doesn't want the flat back?
No, he has many flats. So he doesn't want his flat back yet.
How was it playing a Haryanvi character in the film? How did you prepare for this?
Me being a North Indian, I didn't have to prepare much. I just had to remember those Haryanvi lines, and to bring the accent was not a problem for me. It just came very naturally.
Party All Night, your track has become a rage. And again with your lucky mascot, Sonakshi.
Yeah, she wanted to be a part of this. She had heard the song. She came for one day, she shot, she enjoyed, she danced, and she went.
tip would you give to young action heroes who want to follow your footsteps and, you know, be an action hero like you and a successful one?
A young action hero, if they want to follow, is before giving any kind of shot which has action, please do exactly 2 minutes of warm up and a cool down also, which is very important because people don't realize, because we work in an environment which is air conditioned, and that's where you actually things can go wrong. Injuries can happen very heavily because of the condition which how you work it.
And Akshay, tell me, how is Boss so different from your other action movies?
Because this is a cable-free actions I've done in this film. There's no cables used, and that's what I love. And also there's parkour, which I have gone and done whatever I can and wanted to explore parkour and show people about parkour. There's a fight between me and Ronit, you know, the typical hero-villain fight where there are no goons around, and which is a proper 7 to 8 minutes of chunk fight between each other. And that was a fight which we were left and we were told to do whatever we want to fight, real fight, and that's it.
Mr. Bachchan is introducing a character in the film.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah? So, like you, again, a lucky pair together.
Well, he's always, he himself is so lucky. Wherever he goes, he will pass on his luck to everyone. And that's what he's done with me also. And I thank him for doing this.
This is one lucky film because Party All Night, your track has become a rage. And again with your lucky mascot, Sonakshi.
Yeah, she wanted to be a part of this. She had heard the song, and she told me that I kuch bhi ho jaye, you can make me stand like a dancer girl, and I just want to stand there and do this. Even I know when there's no lyrics of a girl, so I still want to be a part of it. So there she was. She came for one day. She shot. She enjoyed, she danced, and she went.
You see the 100 crore club as a milestone or motivation?
Well, I don't see it as anything. I just do my film and let the film do the job itself. There's too much of stress involved in it, and there's too much of answering involved in it to people for no rhyme or reason. So I don't consider it as anything like that.
Thank you, Akshay. That was wonderful.
Well, thank you.